everyone, welcome to our channel Eat, Pray, Love, Travel, and we are here right now to check out one of the 5-star hotels here in Ortigas. It's called Joy Nostalg Hotel and Suites. Join us as we are going to check their 2-bedroom executive suite, amenities, and food. But for the meantime, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to keep you updated. So guys, we are going to check one of their rooms. 2-bedroom suite.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So this is the 2-bedroom suite for Joy Nostalg.
Alam mo magluto?
And this is their kitchen area. They have microwave and of course cooking stove. They also have this parang sandwich and then toaster. Ref. Can I open the ref? Ayan, 2-door ref. And then this is the first bedroom.
You can give us a call if you want to see that.
May separate TV and of course may separate din na toilet and bath. They also have this huge cabinet with slippers, of course, and bathroom. So, ayan. And then, they also have sala with separate bed. I'm sorry, with separate TV. And then, second bed, this is the master's bed. With also separate TV. And the CR. Okay, walk-in closet. And the CR with bathtub with TV with 2 separate sink and 2 separate
Valued residences around. Since our hotel, we have Himalayan, ADP, and then the Galliman, or Ortigas Center. Malaki, no?
yeah, super nice.
Super malaki. One of the big rooms po namin to compared to other hotels.
Actually, malalaki nga talaga.
Opo. Yung big strength ng Joy. Malaki yung rooms.
Joy Nostalg is a 5-star hotel.
Yes, ma'am.
Area dito for...
Powder.
Ah! This one? Parang... Oh! There's a washer!
Yeah, washer and dryer.
May kasama na! Nice!
Kapag tao na lang, kulang. Pwede na
So guys, this Joy Nostalg Hotel and Suite is available through Agoda and Klook. Okay, please don't forget to use our promo code EPLT Klook to avail 5% discount on this very beautiful, huge suite room here in Joy Nostalg. So, ito ang kanilang the roof. Sobrang nauubso ngayon ng mga roof bar. So, we're checking it. 6th level of Nostalg. Hi, good morning. Do you have lunch buffet?
Yes po, ma'am.
What time?
Sorry, for 12 noon po to 2:45 p.m. Table for 2 po.
Oo. So guys, overall masarap naman yung food nila, and of course quality, syempre hotel food siya. Masarap yung baked salmon. We just don't know kasi it's our first time here. We just don't know kung nag-iiba sila ng food. But then, if you're gonna visit here, masarap yung salmon nila. Masarap din yung mga crab nila. Yung, what else? Sarap naman overall eh. Hindi ko lang masyadong trip yung mga ano nila, sweets, yung cake nila and all, pero grabe yung kanilang fruits, sobrang quality, sobrang fresh, crunchy, as in like okay siya. And then they also provide free drink, which is iced or hot coffee or tea. Wala lang selections of other beverage like yung mocktails or any juice na available, so they just only provide water for it. Pero you can order naman ng mga beverage separate nga lang sa kanilang bar list, parang gano'n, something like that. So, ang lunch nila is from 12 noon up to 2 o'clock p.m. and the price is 1,688 pesos. But they also have breakfast from Monday to Sunday and the price is 1,300. Take note that they don't have lunch ng weekend. They only have breakfast and dinner for weekend. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course,
hit that notification bell for more updates.
thank you, bye.